basic video of how Minifix connector works. Follow this throughout. This is nylon socket. Place the nylon socket in its respective place and knock it with the soft hammer. This is the Minifix screw. Fix the Minifix screws in their respective nylon socket with the help of given screwdriver. This is the Minifix housing. Make sure the Minifix housing is perfectly mounted in its hole. The arrow in the Minifix housing must be facing the hole in the side of the board. Place the dowel in the hole opposite to the Minifix housing and knock it using the soft hammer. Now, while fixing, make sure the Minifix screw is perfectly mounted. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. This is the difference between Minifix screw is unlocked and locked. Pick board 1 and attach the push opener plastic mounting bracket. Make sure the side with the inward extension faces the smooth edge of the board. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Now, attach the magnetic push opener to plastic mounting bracket as shown. Make sure the magnet side are facing the smooth edge of the board. Attach the auto hinges soft close to board 2, 3, and 4 with the given screws using screwdriver. Attach the magnetic catcher to board 10 and 11. Attach board 2 to board 1. Make sure the auto hinges soft close are facing the magnet side of the board. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Attach board 3 to board 1. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Now attach board 4 to board 1. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Pick board 5 and place it flat on boards 2, 3, and 4. Make sure smooth side of the boards are on the same side. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Install legs with an outward taper for better stability. Attach the metal tapered legs to board 5 with the given screws using screwdriver. Slowly flip the unit. Attach the backboard 6 and 7 to the rough side of the unit with the given screws using screwdriver. Make sure the screw holes are aligned. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Carefully turn the unit upright. Attach the shelf support L plugs on all 4 sides equally so that the board can stand flat. Slightly tilt the board 8 and 9, slide it in and place it on the cabinet shelf. Support L plug. Slowly open the hinges. Attach the door board 10 to auto hinges soft, close with the given screws using screwdriver. Attach the door board 11 to auto hinges soft close with the given screws using screwdriver. If required, adjust the magnetic head so the doors align properly when viewed from the front. Your product is ready to use